Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to control who can call you on the IMO app. This is a great feature if you want to manage your privacy and avoid unwanted calls. We will walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then scroll down and select the option called Security and Privacy. After that, find the call option and click on it. You will now see three choices: Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody. Finally, choose the option that suits your preference. Selecting Everyone allows all IMO users to call you. My Contacts restricts calls to only the people in your contact list, and Nobody completely blocks all incoming calls. Once you select the option, your settings will be updated immediately. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.